Hey guys, I got a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and that's the trail rated special edition 4.0 inline engine. And today we're going to show you how you change and replace the AC line. AC line, it's the low pressure. It's the line where you refill your Freon, and it's leaking, so we need to replace it. So it's coming this way and it's going down there. Now I got a new one, and I want to show you what the new one looks like. It looks exactly the same. It comes with its O-rings. So this end, I just want to show you how this goes. This end goes just like that, okay? And it goes around, and this goes at the bottom. Now, this is being held with a size 10 millimeter bolt, and this is held by a size 13 bolt. 13 on this end, 10 on this end. The tools that we're going to use, right there, size 10, 13, an extension just so you can reach the bottom one, and then I use my impact gun. Now keep in mind, folks, that on the top where the low pressure, where you can refill your Freon line, on the 13, I'm using a swivel, and it makes it easier to get in that and remove that bolt. So let's get it started. All right, this is ready. And this is just gonna take me a quick few minutes here. Okay, so it's on. There you go. This is out. Remove the new one out of the way here. There you go, folks. It's got an O-ring on this end. The new line should come with an O-ring as well, and I believe it comes with extras right there. They're taped right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove those, put them aside, and make sure there is an O-ring on this end. It's nice to keep those extras as a spare, just for this job or something else that you may come across. So this end is out. Now, I don't like to use an extension on a straight pointing down. I like to use just my size 10 here, not a swivel. I'll just use this as straight. So this is 10. One thing I was going to mention, guys, is you gotta empty this Freon safely, because well, in my case it was empty because it was leaking. So remove this bolt. I don't know, I'm trying to make you guys see. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can. There you go. Right. Okay, my impact is not doing it. That's I'm gonna use another extension and use a long ratchet to take this off. This is my extended ratchet, and I'm gonna use another extension to actually use this here. Okay. Because I'm recording by myself, I'm gonna actually see if I can get this. See if I can sit this camera here. There you go. Now I'm gonna use my gun. That size 10 is out. There you go. Right here. Set it next to the size 13 just so I don't lose them. Alright, this is out. And again, these are the O-rings. So this line is identical to the one that I got. I'm gonna start in reverse order here. Put this down. Right, just like that, put the size 10 back into place. Put this back where it was, size 13, and we should be all set. I'm not going to show you the rest of the details because it's basically just a reverse order. Again, this is 2004 Grand Cherokee. It is a special edition 4.0 inline engine, and this is how to change and replace the low AC hose. That's where you refill your Freon. Thanks for watching, folks.